All right, welcome back to the channel. I want to show you guys how to add a LUT before you even start assembling your edit here. We got a couple clips that are shot in log. And if we click on the metadata, you can see it's a Sony. And we can look here, get the ISO. Color monitor space would be a LUT SL3SG to 709 cube. So it looks like it needs a log to 709 conversion. And you can do that before you even start messing. So I already did that with these clips, but I'll show you. Highlight the two that you want to change the LUT on and hit LUT. And I chose this Sony S-Log3 gamut to 709 type A. And that's about where we got it. That looks a lot better. I did some other things after the fact in the color page. And this is another thing I thought you guys might like to see. You can actually filter out your clips. If we look at the edit page, I only used one B cam and the rest were all from the A cam. I did some close-ups and some push-ins and stuff like that to get the look that I wanted. But you can say clips and say clip color. So you could say orange. And now that's the only clip with orange on it. And you could mess with that. You could see we did a few things. Just a little adjustment, change the highlights a little bit. And then I have a window here to get rid of some of the reflection and highlighting on there. And then if you need to go back to all clips, you could just say all. Or if you wanted to look at these teal ones that we have, it's going to be the majority. But if you needed to get a look going, which is what I did, then I kind of slapped it on all the clips. And then I went in and did some changes if I thought I needed to. But it looks like this camera just has this basic additional adjustment where I drop the black level down and stuff like that. But that's how you can get a LUT on all your clips before you even start assembling your edit and have it looking in the right color space, at least before you even get going. And then you can make some fine tune adjustments after that. All right. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.